Make sure they're stored in the overhead compartments for takeoff and landing. 如果你有隨身攜帶手提行李或大型物件，喺航機起飛同降落前，請確保放喺行李櫃裡面。Ensure electronic devices are switched off or set to airplane mode. Use of radios and transmitters is not allowed. If any electronic devices become trapped in your seat, please ask our crew to help you. 請將電子用品關掉或調校到飛行模式。機艙內任何時候都唔可以使用無線電傳送設備。如果有任何電子產品攝咗喺座位裡面，請通知我哋嘅機艙服務員。You can place any small items underneath the seat in front of you. 你可以將細件嘅物件放喺前面嘅座位下。This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking or using e-cigarettes anywhere in the aircraft is against the law. 呢班係禁煙航班。喺機艙任何地方吸煙或使用電子煙都係屬於違法。Your seatbelt fastens and unfastens like this. To adjust it, pull the strap until tight. We also have seatbelts available for children under 2, and seatbelts should be worn whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on. We recommend keeping it fastened even if the sign is off in case of unexpected turbulence. 請依指示扣好或者解開安全帶。需要調校嘅時候，可以將安全帶拉緊。我哋亦有提供2歲以下嘅兒童專用安全帶。當扣上安全帶嘅燈號亮起，請必須扣好安全帶。即使燈號熄滅，我哋亦建議你繼續扣好，以防遇上突發氣流。Oxygen masks will drop automatically if they're needed. Pull the mask down firmly. Remove your face coverings if worn. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust it to fit and breathe normally. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating, and ensure that your own mask is fitted correctly before helping others. 氧氣面罩會喺有需要嘅時候自動跌下，請用力拉下面罩，蓋於你嘅口鼻上面。如你有佩戴口罩，請先除低口罩，然後將氧氣面罩調校到合適嘅位置作正常呼吸。氧氣袋無需充氣，亦能提供氧氣。請先戴好你嘅氧氣面罩，再去照顧其他人。Your life jacket is located underneath your seat. To use the life jacket, place it over your head, loop the strap around your waist, and fasten the buckle. Then pull the strap firmly to tighten it. 你嘅救生衣放置喺你嘅座椅下。穿着救生衣嘅時候，先將救生衣套喺頸部，將腰帶圍住腰並扣好，然後索緊腰帶。Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, simply pull the red toggle down firmly or blow into the tube. It also has a whistle and a light. 當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。需要充氣嘅時候，只需用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣管吹氣。救生衣上面附有哨子同燈。If needed, our crew will provide life jackets for children and inflatable cots for babies in emergency. 如果有需要，機艙服務員會喺緊急情況下提供兒童救生衣或嬰兒浮床。If there's an emergency, or you hear the phrase brace, brace, adopt the position shown in your safety card. 緊急情況下，或者聽見 brace, brace， 請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。The escape path lighting illuminates automatically during an emergency. Please follow the crew's instructions and go to the nearest exit. Remove high-heel shoes. Leave all your personal belongings in the aircraft. 緊急情況下，逃生路線嘅照明系統會自動亮起。請遵照機艙服務員嘅指示，脫下高跟鞋，並將所有個人物品留喺飛機上，然後到最近嘅逃生出口。Our crew are pointing out the exits now. When going down the slide, sit up straight, keep your arms in front of you, and look towards the landing point. Once you have exited the aircraft, move away immediately. 機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。使用逃生滑梯時，請坐直，將雙手向前伸直，並望向落地嘅位置。離開機艙後，請迅速遠離飛機。Please take a look at your safety card for what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. 請查閱你嘅安全指示卡，了解緊急事故嘅逃生程序。Now that we're almost ready for takeoff, make sure that your hand baggage and tray table are put away and your seatbelt fastened. 我哋即將起飛，請確保你嘅手提行李同摺枱已經收好。請 安全帶。Finally, and just as importantly, enjoy the journey. 最後，祝各位旅途愉快。
大家好，根據香港民航處嘅最新要求，為確保航空安全，乘客嚴禁喺航班上使用鋰電池外置充電器，為其他便攜式電子裝置充電，或為外置充電器充電。同時，外置充電都唔可以放置於櫃內。如需任何協助，請通知我哋機艙服務員。多謝個合作。The passengers are according to the latest requirement by the Hong Kong Civil Aviation Department. Passengers are restricted from using lithium battery power banks to charge the portable electronic devices and recharge power bank during the flight. In addition, storage of power banks in the overhead compartments is also prohibited. If you need any assistance, please inform our cabin crew. Thank you for your attention. 跟住香港民航處地最新要求規確保航空安全，乘客也禁在航班上使用锂電池外置充電器，為其他便攜式電子裝置充電，或為外置充電器充電。同時，外置充電器也不可以放置行李架內。有需要任何協助，請通知我們空中成員。謝謝各位留意。
엔진이 언제 들어갔대? 엔진 돌아왔어요.
各位乘客，為防止加速傳染病同埋植物病蟲害從海外傳入韓國，如果你旅程結束後需要再次入境韓國，請留意以下來自韓國農林畜產食品部嘅通知：乘客嚴禁攜帶肉類、午餐肉、肉脯等畜產食品。 芒果、青檸等鮮果，並限制攜帶種子、苗木等種植用植物。未經申報非法攜帶入境，最高可被罰款1000萬韓元。外遊時應避免到訪畜自農場等畜產設施。此外，從事畜產行業嘅乘客，如到訪非洲豬瘟、口蹄疫、禽流感等加速流行病發生嘅國家，必須向韓國農林畜產檢疫本部申報。返回韓國時，請務必採取消毒等必要措施。多謝各位留意。 Hello everyone, for the prevention of infectious animal disease and plant pests into Korea, if you need to enter South Korea after completing your journey, please pay attention to the following notification from the Animal and Plant Quarantine Agency of Korea. First, all travelers are prohibited from carrying animal products like fresh meat, ham, sausage, and jerky, raw fruits like mango and lime, and they're all restricted from bringing in plants for planting such as seeds and seedlings. Without a voluntary declaration of carrying such product, traveler will face a penalty and shall be fined up to 10 million won. Secondly, travelers shall avoid visiting livestock-related areas like animal farms and markets. Also, travelers working in the livestock industry shall avoid visiting animal farms and when traveling infectious disease-affected countries. And when traveling those countries, travelers shall report the traveling information to the Animal and Plant Quarantine Agency and shall take preventive measures like disinfection when returning into Korea. Thank you for your attention.
또 비행기가 반짝거리거든요, 보이세요? 한번 뭐인지 봐볼까? 시네어 같죠? 근데 왜 이렇게 빠뚤빠뚤거리냐? 이렇게 구경해보자면 이렇게 있고요. 엔진들하고 보라색 같습니다. 하버 원래대로 해놓고 이제야 보이겠다. 저한테는 거의 다 왔거든요. 불이 꺼졌어요. 제주항공이 도착합니다.
Cabin crew be seated for landing. Check. Cabin crew be seated for takeoff.
곧 있으면 이제 간답니다. 자, 이제 왔어요. 팔지로에. 이렇게 바로 이륙한 거 아니겠죠? 기장님?